Hello, Gi-Hun. I'm sorry about Jongbae. You want to kill me? Then go ahead. But I'm sure you know already, my death won't change a thing. They'll just announce a new leader, and the game will continue as planned. Player 456, do you still have faith in people?
These two, the child and her mother holding her right there. We can't let them die.
Player 192, please cast your vote.
Don't hit blue! Sir, please, get that little girl and her mother out of here, for God's sake! Please, please, have mercy on this old woman, please!
I knew about the first game because I'd already done it. And every single person who was there with me, they were all killed, everyone!
Do you still have faith in people?